Okay, in the spirit of if you're proud of something, show it off on YouTube. Here's Duncan's fix for fender skirts for an RV. Well, as you can see, I've virtually finished the job, but here's essentially where they were, screwed in along there, and basically they were broken in about 3 places. So, having not spent a few $100s on replacements, here's what I did. I got the broken pieces, and using marine weld epoxy that you can get from Canadian Tire for a few bucks if you're in Canada, an old piece of plastic, scoring the plastic on both sides and on the back of here with a knife just to create some adhesion, sticking the plastic on, using a rock to press the plastic down because it's a curved surface, and then on the other side using that same marine weld to create to fill in the seam, and then sanding it over, and then 3 coats of truck bed liner spray, again from the Canadian Tire, 2 or 3 coats of trim and bumper paint, again from Canadian Tire, and then just for a bit of bling, I'm replacing the crappy white rusted out screws with some stainless steel ones with stainless steel washers, just to give it a bit of a badass bolted look. So, from a few $100s each to, I don't know, about 40 bucks, including the stainless steel stuff and the other bits and pieces, a awesome fix for your RV trailer skirt. Duncan Taylor signing off. Hello from the cat as well. Angus the cat wanted to show the end of the project, so here it is. Here's the skirt in place, all bolted in, and also with the sealer along the edge there. Things I would have done differently would have been take more care with the washers as they go in, because they caught the plastic on the way in. So I'm going to have to do a bit of touch up there, and that's about it. Generally, looks pretty damn good. Finished up with a bit of tyre wall on the tyres just to make it look fantastic. There you go. Duncan and Angus signing off. See you later.